So hey guys, hello, namaste. So welcome to my channel and make sure subscribe करो please subscribe यार. So in this video, so guys, I'm always discussing about the studies about the MBBS in Philippines. So in this video I would like to invite my friend Palan, who is vice president of my class. He will going to discuss about what are the other activities in DMS of like cricket, volleyball, like this. So many, there are so many committees are here in Philippines DMS of. So let's invite him.
Hi, Namaste friends. I am Palan Viranki, a third year medico from Davao Medical School Foundation. Today I am going to give a brief intro on how DMSF is shaping the future doctors with not only education, with the overall development. I am going to start my introduction with a proverb, that is, more work, less play, make Jack a dull boy. I think you have understood this. Everyone thinks MBBS means continue 24 hours of studying and then writing the exams, then passing, and then moving on to the clinics, doing our duties perfectly and earning something. By this we are gaining knowledge, but at present generation they doesn't like this. It means it's something like cooked up. So by doing this all things we are just gaining knowledge, but unfortunately we are lacking leadership skills and out of box thinking. It means we are only sticking to the book knowledge, and by continuous study we are so depressed. It means we are lacking relaxation also. So here in Davao Medical School Foundation, for the overall development with good education, they started a student council. It is called as IMD Council. It means International Medical Doctors Council, where there will be some heads, president, vice president, internal and external, and internal president will be seeing everything, and the external president will be responsible for the visas and the process, annual reports and everything. And next moving on to the treasurer, and next moving on to the PIO and assistant treasurer, and business manager, assistant business manager. There will be some posts like this. And coming to the council, in this only there will be other activities. It means they have some other committees, starting first with the sports committee. In this every committee has 2 presidents, 3 secretaries and 7 supporters. It means total a committee consists of 12 members, and each and everyone will be showing their talent and showing their inbuilt talents to function the committee in a good manner. And each and every committee is useful for the students. In the sports committee, the secretary is one of my friend, that is, he is my classmate, Uday Kumar Reddy. And by this committee we are going to conduct different kinds of sports, starting with cricket, volleyball, badminton and athletics. Everyone are allowed to play and there won't be any bias, and the referees and everything will be the committee members, and the seniors will be looking around this. Next, moving on to the academics committee. I am the secretary of the academics committee. So in this committee we are going to prepare a short notes, and we are going to prepare some mnemonics by selecting the starting from 1st to 4th year the different subjects, difficult subjects, and selecting some of the difficult chapters in the difficult subjects, and we are giving some mnemonics for those and short notes, and including those we are going to conduct some webinars by inviting some of the doctors who are working in the abroad like USA and UK, where they have completed their graduation in the DMSF itself, so that the students will be knowing something different, out of box learning. It's a out of box learning webinars. And at the end of the webinar we are going to conduct a quiz, and the winners will be rewarded with a cash prize and a certificate. Next, moving on to the disaster management. In this disaster management, the name itself tells this will be useful for the natural calamities. When a natural calamity or a typhoon happens in the city or out of the city, by using the IMD fund or collecting funds from the students, we are helping the affected cities or affected families with those. And we are going to do a drills, mock drills, or somewhat poster makings, or some abstract paintings on some situations or on the calamities, and we are going to show the public to take some precautionary measures while something is happening outside. This comes under the disaster management. And next, moving on to the cultural and editorial committee. This is the main committee where all committees are linked to this. It means everything, the background, starting from the background to the end of the event, everything will be undergoing by this. It means they have to design everything, and this committee is very helpful, and we are very thankful to the cultural and editorial committee. And next, moving on to the disciplinary committee. This is directly appointed by the dean of the college, where this committee is the third eye on all the students. It means they will be keeping a check. It means the DMSF will have some core values, we have to respect it. If something goes beyond that, this committee will tell to the management as something is going wrong, or will be informing us to be in our limits. Okay, that's in my discussion or a brief intro on the committees of the Our Medical School Foundation. Hope you like this video, and thank